As I told once again, 7,000 levels proved out to be a very strong support zone for FTSE 100, and it has bounced back nicely above 7,000 levels, and now in fact it is trying to trade above 7,200, which is again a very strong support zone. So yes, it is trying to come out of this zone between 7,000 to 7,200. We have to be watchful. A strong rise we have seen. Now what is going to happen next week? We will try to see more in detail with the help of candlestick charts and indicators, and in the end of this analysis we'll look into the trading strategies and trading levels for next week. Do watch till the end, do listen to it carefully, and do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Those who are new to the channel, they can watch my daily analysis also on FTSE 100 and besides other markets and commodities including gold, silver, oil, natural gas, Dow Jones, Nasdaq, FTSE 100, Germany 40 or Nifty 50 as well. These analysis I release just with the Asia session, so you can watch in your ample or free time before the UK markets open. Now let's start the analysis. You can see the last two candles and you can find lower highs, lower lows precisely. It showed it has seen the lower lows before it tried to bounce back, and it is trying to trade in this channel. I'll be watchful of 7 to 50 levels next week. Rather, I will say 7 to 70 levels next week. If it trades above this, probably it may try to hit back till towards 7350, 7380 and beyond levels. So I'll be watchful of 7 to 70 levels, and if it breaks above this, definitely a stronger rise can be seen. Else the previous candle, the lows there on the previous candle indicates that in fact it may try to achieve those highs, and then a probable drop can also be expected. Now this is what we can see, and always I have told you that 7,000 levels is a very strong support level for FTSE 100, and the next support only after this is going to be a 6,800 levels. Below that it can see or it can show you stronger break on the downside. Now this is just on the weekly charts. Let's have a look at the monthly candle. On the monthly candle, yes, it has achieved lower lows precisely, and yes, it has, the highs are very much at the same level, indicative of strong bearishness, as this is an expanding triangle with a negative slope. So probably it can try to close the month somewhere here at around 7300 to 7400 zone, probably somewhere here, and from there probably you can expect it to drop a little on the downside next month too. So this is what we can observe on the monthly charts. See, the support there at 7,000 levels is very strong. Multiple months it is tried to trade above these levels, getting the support at 7,000. Now let's have a look at the daily charts. Now look at the daily charts perfectly. It is consolidated at 7,000 levels and trying to give you a breakout. If you see it trading beyond 7,300 next week, rather I will say 7 to 70. If you see it trading above and beyond 7 to 70, definitely one can expect 7,300, 7,400 levels, and in fact it can try to rise a little more, where one can expect it to come back till towards 7,440. 7,440 is a very strong resistance zone for FTSE 100. So I'll be watchful of that. Go long at 7 to 70, and then bullish move can be expected. At the same time, trading below 7,200, you have to go short for 7,100 and 7,000 levels. Now look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour chart, this was the first bottom, this is the second bottom, and this is trying to reverse. It may try to come back till towards 7,300, and if it breaks past 7,300, 7,320 zone, which is a very strong resistance, probably it may try to break past 7,400 plus levels too. So this is the analysis on daily, weekly, monthly and 4-hour charts. We have seen the 4-hour charts, we have seen the daily charts, and we have seen the weekly and monthly charts too. Now let's have a look with the help of indicators. What does the indicators are suggestive here? Now look, indicators on the 4-hour charts trading outside the Bollinger Bands, probably giving it a stronger resistance. The next resistance zone is somewhere here at 7,300. So I'll be watchful. The Bollinger Bands can definitely try to pull it back again on the downside. I'll be cautious there. Any drop below 7,200 is a good level to go short for 7,100 levels. Yes, look at the oscillator. It is crossed over for a bullish move. This is the second green candle on the 4-hour chart. Probably it may give couple more green candles before it looks forward to a drop, and the directional movement is bullish here. Similarly, the MACD is divergent and bullish here. Similarly, the RSI is near to top there looking upwards, and the stochastic is overbought, indicative that probably we may see a little drop. with the open there. And if you look at the daily charts, on the daily charts, the resistance zone at 7300 and 7400. This is the 100 period and 50 period moving average at 7400, and this is the 20 period moving average at 7300. So if it breaks past 7 to 50, 7 to 70, yes, you can go long for 7300, 7400 zone, which it may try to achieve. Look at the oscillator, it has seen the lows there, now trying to give you the greener candle, and it may try to converge crossover for a bullish move. Similarly, the directional movement is trying to converge crossover for a bullish move. MACD is also, it is red right now, it is trying to converge crossover for a bullish move. RSI is also looking upwards. Similarly, if you look at the stochastic, this is also looking upwards from here. And if you look at the weekly charts, on the weekly charts you will find that it is trading outside the Bollinger Bands, and that is what has pulled it back. I told you in my last week's analysis, the next resistance zone is at around 7300 and 7400. Be watchful of that. It can try to attempt and it can try to achieve these levels before it looks forward to any further drop. Look at the oscillator. The oscillator has crossed over for a bearish move here, and this is the first candle on the downside. It is entered into bearish territory. Directional movement always already bearish, divergent. MACD is always on the sell side, it is divergent, indicating bearishness. RSI looking upwards, stochastic looking downwards, indicating of little bearishness there. Similarly, if you look at the monthly chart, the stronger support at 7000 levels, very strong here. 20, 50, 100 period moving average coming together there. Similarly, the oscillator has seen the high. This is the red candle. Probably it can give you further more red candles in the coming months, and probably it can trade with a drop. Directional movement is bearish. MACD is trying to converge crossover for a sell entry. RSI looking downwards, and the stochastic, which are overbought, it is looking downwards. So yes, in coming month probably we may see further more drop in FTSE100. Be watchful of that. Now, considering everything, we have seen the indicators, we have seen the charts. Now let me give you the trading levels and strategy for next week. And before I give you the levels and strategies, do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. And yes, you can be part of my mentorship batch. The 13th batch is starting on first week of July. Also, you can be part of my signals group. Reach out to me for more details on my Telegram and more on any of your trading or training related queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Please do not pay to anyone before getting confirmation from my official email or from my official Telegram handle, because there are many imposers who are giving false promises and trapping innocent people of, I have seen one screenshot, 400 deposit $400 and I'll return $4500 in 24 hours. Such kind of imposers are there who are taking my identity and imposing with the false promises. Please don't get trapped with such moves, and please always get the confirmation and then only proceed with the payment. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training related queries. Now next week I'll recommend you to take a long entry. In fact, if you see it at around 7265, yes, you can go long there. The next target is 7300, and if it trades below 7300, you can expect 7320. Be watchful of 7320. Once it trades above 7320, I'll be extremely bullish and I'll expect it to hit 7380, 7400. These two levels are going to be strong resistance, and then 7440. It can try to rise till 7440, which is again a very strong resistance zone for FTSE 100. There is a probability exists that it can try to drop off from 7300, 7320 zone itself, because that may try to further put a downward pressure on FTSE 100. At the same time, if it see 7380, you should not forget this is also very strong resistance zone. So be watchful. It can try to swing a bit, it can try to reverse any point of time from these levels. And if you see it trading below 7150, go short for 7100, very strong resistance zone, and then 7000, the next strong resistance zone. Below that, it may try to break past the support levels and try to hit back till towards 6920. Take your trades accordingly and trade with a stop loss. Trade with the trading stop loss. Always trade with a stop loss at cost, at least, such that you can preserve your capital. If you have your capital with you, you can always take a next entry. You can always increase your wealth slowly. Always remember, trading stop loss is very helpful. If it tries to see the markets are trying to reverse, such that you can shift, and the trailing stop loss will shift your stop loss further near to your trades near to the reversal point, and then you can at least be secured of profit. So trade accordingly, trade profitably, do not trade in hurry, and reach out to me for any of your trading or trading related queries. My email, telegram IDs both are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. And please, please, please do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.